It is very easy to make black rasgulla at home. To make this you need milk mawa. The basis of mawa is to take flour. Both have to be mixed well. As you can see in the video, will take very little water as can be seen in the video. At knead the dough and keep it covered for 10 minutes. We'll make sugar syrup as can be seen in the video. The syrup is ready in 10 minutes. Now let's make rasgullas as shown in the video. It is easy to make like this and we'll take raisins, place it in the middle of the rasgulla and make it round. We will prepare rasgullas like this. I have made some small and some big rasgulla here. Now we will cook these rasgullas in ghee and cook until brown. After cooking in ghee, immediately put it in hot syrup. Leave it in syrup for 2 hours. Eat after it cool down.